Marcos from eCpp Auto Parts, here with our upgraded full-size towing mirror built for any 2002 through 2009 Dodge Ram. Our towing mirror is built to be manual folding and manual fold-up and comes with a larger upper adjusted power mirror with power heating, a smaller lower panoramic mirror, same 3-pin mounting locations, base plate, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. With a combined measurement of 11 inches by 8 inches and an overall length of 16 inches, our towing mirror is designed to increase road safety and visibility and is a perfect replacement for your stock mirror that upgrades the look and functionality of your vehicle.